Before we touch a single wire, look at this cylinder. It extends, retracts, and changes direction automatically, and that is exactly what we are building today. In this video, I will show you how to wire an electro-pneumatic reciprocating system using a double-acting cylinder, a 5-2 solenoid valve, two limit switches, relay modules, and a 24-volt DC power supply. If you watched the previous pneumatic reciprocating setup, this is the upgraded version. If not, stay with me because I will break down the air connections, the electrical wiring, and the control sequence in a very simple way. You can also find the full written guide on bobteachestech.com. Welcome back to Bob Teaches Tech. In the previous tutorial, we built a basic pneumatic reciprocating system using a roller lever valve for mechanical actuation. Today, we are taking that idea further by converting it into an electro-pneumatic system where the cylinder is controlled electrically instead of purely by mechanical pilot action. This is a very practical industrial automation setup, and by the end of this video, you will understand exactly how the system works from start to finish. Let us begin with the pneumatic side. First, route the compressed air from the compressor to the FRL unit. The FRL unit filters the air, regulates the pressure, and prepares it for the system. From the FRL unit, send the air to the distributor, and from the distributor, supply the DCV so it can direct air to the cylinder for directional movement. Next, connect the double-acting cylinder to the 5-2 directional control valve. Now let us move to the electrical side. Connect the mains live, neutral, and earth to the 24-volt power supply unit. Then take the 24-volt output and feed it to the relay module power rail. Also connect the 0-volt output to the relay module ground rail. From the power supply, connect the 0-volt line to the common terminal of the DCV solenoid. Then loop that same 0-volt connection to the other solenoid as required. Now we will wire the right side first. From the right limit switch, connect the normally open contact to terminal A1 of the first relay. Connect terminal A2 of that relay to the 0-volt rail. Then connect 24 volts to the common terminal of the first relay and route the normally open relay contact to the right solenoid terminal of the control valve. After that, wire the left side in the same way. Connect 24 volts to the common terminal of the left limit switch. Route the normally open contact to terminal A, one of the second relay, and connect terminal A2 to the 0-volt rail. Then connect 24 volts to the common terminal of the second relay and take the normally open contact to the left solenoid terminal of the control valve. At this point, the wiring is complete. Now let us understand the working sequence. When the cylinder reaches the right side, it presses the right limit switch that sends a signal to the first relay, which energizes the right solenoid on the directional control valve. The valve shifts position, airflow changes direction, and the cylinder starts moving back. When the cylinder reaches the left side, it presses the left limit switch. That energizes the second relay, which powers the left solenoid. The valve shifts again, the airflow reverses, and the cylinder moves in the opposite direction. This is how the cylinder keeps moving forward and backward automatically. So instead of manual switching, the limit switches handle the control, the relays manage the electrical switching, and the 5-2 solenoid valve handles the airflow direction. That is what makes this an electro-pneumatic reciprocating system. This type of control is very useful in industrial automation, especially in clamping systems, packaging machines, pick and place units, material handling systems, and other repetitive motion applications. If you are following along, pause the video and compare each connection carefully with your own setup. A small wiring mistake can stop the whole system from working correctly. If this tutorial is helping you, subscribe to Bob Teaches Tech for more mechatronics, PLC, pneumatics, sensors, robotics, and industrial automation content. Also, watch the previous video on the basic pneumatic reciprocating setup because it will help you understand the foundation behind this upgraded version. And for the full written explanation, visit bobteachestech.com and read the article linked in the description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.